Hello students, welcome to my channel. I am Hasham. Last video I have completed 4 problems on finding out the forward premium or discount. Now in this video 3 more problems, 5, 6, 7 I am going to explain. So watch the video till the end to get the complete command on this subject, international finance. So far so many videos I have uploaded regarding the theory of international finance. If you have not watched, I suggest you go to the playlist of my channel. Select the subject international finance. Select the videos. Be perfect about the theory. Then you can easily understand the problems. So if you have not yet subscribed my channel, I suggest you subscribe it. You can get a lot of informative, knowledgeable videos. Visit the playlist. I have uploaded so many subjects videos. Watch the videos, get the confidence on your subjects. So before starting the 5th problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. Always keep ready the problem because without problems you cannot understand my lecture. Take the screenshot of the points which I have written on the board, then I'll explain all the points in detail. Now, see the 5th problem. The Midfax company, a French firm, has bought goods from a German firm and has agreed to pay DM 3,300,000 in 30 days. If the current spot rate is FFR 3.20 per DM, what is the value of expected payment in FFR at the current spot price? So here, the Midfax company is a French firm. It has purchased the goods from Germany. So the currency is 3 lakh DM, 300,000 DM. The company, Midfax company, has to make the payment in 30 days. And present spot rate 3.20 per DM. So first question, what is the value of expected payment in FFR at the current spot rate? So you can see here, current spot rate FFR French franc 3.20 per DM, Deutschmark. So 3.20 per DM is the spot rate. And how much the payment here, the company has to make payment in DM is 300,000, 3 lakh. So 1 DM is equal to FFR 3.20. For 3 lakh DM, how much would be the FFR? So 3.20 into 3 lakh, 9,60,000 FFR we need to convert it into 3 lakh DM. So 3 lakh DM is equal to 9,60,000 FFR, right? Now, therefore, the expected payment at the current spot rate is FFR 9,60,000. Now, next, what it is given in the problem is, if the 30 days forward rate is FFR 3.10 per DM, present spot rate is 3.20. 30 days forward rate, it is given 3.10. That means FFR is going at premium, whereas DM is going at discount. So importer will gain. What is the expected value of the payment in French franc 30 days from today? If Midfax company enter into forward contract, the forward rate is 3.10. So how much the company will gain? What is the value of the payment? Now, case 1, 30 days forward rate is FFR 3.10 per DM. How much DM they have to pay? 1 DM is equal to 3.10 FFR. So payment is 3 lakh DM is equal to FFR 3.10 into 3 lakh. You will get 9,30,000. Presently the value of the payment is 9,60,000 at the spot rate. At 30 days forward rate, it is coming to 9,30,000. So Midfax company is gaining. Presently 960, 30 days forward 930. So Midfax gain 960 minus 930, 30,000 FFR is the gain to Midfax company in the first case. Now second, what will be Midfax have to pay if the spot rate in 30 days is FFR 3.05? Further it has reduced. That means the FFR is becoming stronger against DM. So case 2. 30 days forward rate is FFR 3.05 per DM. That means 1 DM is equal to FFR 3.05. How much payment it has to make? 3 lakh DM it has to pay. So 3 lakh DM is equal to FFR 3.05 into 3 lakh. You'll get 9 lakh 15,000. What is the spot rate value? 9 lakh 60,000. 30 days forward rate value? 9 lakh 15,000. So Midfax company is gaining. How much is the gain? 960,000 minus 915,000. You will get 45,000. So Midfax company is gaining 45,000 if the 30 days forward rate is 3.05. Now if the spot rate in 30 days FFR 3.12 per DM, what is the expected value of payment? This is the case 3. So case 3, 30 days forward rate is FFR 3.12 per DM. That means for 1 DM FFR 3.12. For 3 lakh DM FFR 3.12 into 3 lakh, 9 lakh 36,000. Still the Midfax company is gaining because current spot rate is 9 lakh 60,000 and 30 days forward payment is 9 lakh 36,000. So 960 minus 936, 24,000 FFR the company gains. Now for each rate different from the forward rate, calculate Midfax gain or loss due to unexpected exchange rate changes. So in this case, the Midfax company is gaining because 30 days forward rates are less than the spot rate. The spot rate is 3.20 per DM, whereas forward rates may be 3.10 or 3.05 or 3.12. So in all the forward rates, FFR is less. That means the Midfax company is gaining from the unexpected exchange rate. So from the above, FFR payment are in gain because FFR is becoming stronger against DM. That's it. Now, sixth problem. Direct spot rate for DM and FFR respectively. Two quotations are given. DM is equal to $0.3300 by 12. What does it mean? It means bid rate and ask rate. Dollar per DM, $0.3300, that is the bid rate, and $0.3312 is the ask rate, right? This is the dollar per DM. Similarly, FFR is equal to $0.1160 by 70. That means dollar per FFR is bid rate 0.1160 and ask rate 0.1170. Remember, always bid rate will be lower than the ask rate. Bid rate is the buying rate and ask rate is the selling rate. That means the dealer is buying at 0.1160 and selling at 0.1170. Right? Now the question is, calculate bid ask percent spread. The spread means the difference between ask and bid. Ask rate minus bid rate is equal to spread. But it is asking you percentage spread on DM and FFR respectively. First question, we have to find out the percentage. Percentage spread, the formula is ask rate minus bid rate divided by ask rate into 100. Because we are calculating percentage, multiply by 100. If it is asking you only spread, then ask price minus bid price. That's it. But percentage, if we calculate, ask minus bid divided by bid into 100. Right? So first we take DM. So here the value is given dollar per DM. What is the rate? 0.3300 and 0.3312. That is the ask rate. So percentage spread 0.3312 minus 0.3300 divided by 0.3312. This is the ask rate, this is the bid rate divided by ask rate into 100. So if you solve this, you are going to get 0.3623%. This is the percentage spread for DM. Similarly for FFR, dollar per FFR is given, bid rate 0.1160 and ask rate 0.1170. So here percentage spread is equal to 0.1170. This is the ask rate. And bid rate 0.1160. divided by ask rate into 100. You will get 0.8547. So we have calculated the percentage spread for DM as well as FFR. First part completed. Now second B bit, direct quote for DM in FFR in Paris. That means what is the direct quotation for FFR per DM? Because we are calculating for DM in FFR. That means how many FFR is equal to 1 DM. That's what we have to calculate, right? So here, spot rate. The spot rate is given dollar per DM. The spot rate is given dollar per DM is 0.3300 per, this is a bid rate. And dollar by FFR, ask rate, because we are buying the FFR against DM. So we need the ask rate. So FFR, dollar per FFR is equal to 0.1170 ask rate. Now we need the direct quote for DM in FFR. That means we need FFR per DM at Paris. It means we want to buy DM for FFR. So we need FFR per DM. This is the rate quotation we require, right? Here, dollar by DM is 0.3300. Whereas dollar per FFR is 0.1170. This is the bid rate, this is the ask rate. Now actually we want FFR per DM. Here FFR is in denominator, but we need in numerator. So we have to inverse. Instead of dollar by FFR, we need FFR by dollar. So we have to inverse 1 divided by 0.1100. See here, dollar by FFR, here FFR by dollar. So we have to inverse it. Now we multiply dollar by DM into FFR by dollar. Dollar by DM, how much is the value? 0.3300 into FFR by dollar, we got 1 divided by 1170. So if you divide 0.3300 divided by 0.1170, you will get 2.80, 2.82. Here dollar and dollar will get cancelled. So numerator will be FFR by DM. So FFR by DM. That means FFR 2.82 is equal to 1 DM. Therefore, direct quote for DM in terms of FFR in Paris is FFR 2.82 is equal to DM 1. That's it. This is the complete explanation of problem number 7. Now, problem number 6 completed. Now, 7th one. A British company wants to buy pound against a DM at 3 months forward rate. The market is quoting as under. So here, British company wants to buy pound against a DM, right? The quotation given is dollar spot. Dollar 1 is equal to DM 1.8235, 1.8245. So 1.8235 is the bid rate and 1.8245 is the ask rate. This is the DM per dollar. Similarly, forward 1 month, 17 by 18. Forward 2 months, 35 by 37. Forward 3 months, 53 by 56. The forward rates are not given, but forward points are given. We have to use these points to convert it into outright rate. Spot outright rate is given, but 3 month forward outright rate is not given, but bid points are given. Bid points are given. So we have to add or less these bid points depending whether foreign currency is going at premium or discount. The spot rate pound 1 is equal to $1.6284 and 1.6291. First one is bid rate, second one is ask rate. Forward 1 month, again 16 by 15, points are given. 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Data is given for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. We don't require all. We need only 3 months. Only 3 months. For 1 month, 2 months and 6 months, we don't require. What will be the rate quoted? What will be the rate quoted? That means the British company wants to buy pound against a DM. That means we need pound by dm. We need, dm by per pound. How much is the dm per pound? That's what we require. First of all, we have to convert the forward points into forward outright rates. How to convert? Spot rate is $1 is equal to dm 1.8235, 1.8245. And forward 3 months point are 53 by 56. Now, this 53 by 56, remember the point. If the first point is less than the second point, the foreign currency goes at premium. Better you write it down in notebook. While watching the video, always keep a calculator, notebook, pen ready. When I explain something very important, note it down. Maintain running notes. Then only you can be able to remember. Remember, international finance is not an easy subject. It's a difficult one. So if you watch only once, you cannot be able to understand fully. 2-3 times you have to watch the video. And also you have to write it down. So what I'm telling, the forward points are given. We don't require points. We want outright rates. So how to convert? See the point. If the first point is less than the second point, the foreign currency goes at premium, and add that point to the outright rate. Right? So outright. Here 53 by 56. So 53 is lower. That means the foreign currency here is dollar. So dollar is going at premium. Add the points. So this 53 will be added to this one. So actually 1.8235, you add up last 35 plus 53, you will get 88. 35 plus 53, you will get 88. So 1.8288. For simplification, I will write down. So bid rate is 1.8235. 1.8235. Now points are 53 point. The last 2 digits you take 53. This one 53. Here 0, 0, 0. Now you add. That means 1.8288. That's here you can see 1.8288. The points are added. Similarly for ask rate 1.82, 1.8245. This is the spot rate. To this you have to add 56. The last 2 digits you add 0.0056. So 5 plus 6, 11. This is 10. 2 plus 1, 3. 8. 1.8301. 1.8301. So here 1.8301. So these points we have added. This point to bid rate and this point to ask rate. We got the outright rate. 3-month outright rate for dollar DM per dollar. For DM per dollar. Similarly, the second quotation is given dollar 1.6284, 1.6291 per pound. Dollar per pound is given. So pound 1 is equal to dollar 1.6284, 1.6291 bid rate and ask rate. Now 3-month forward point. The 3-month forward point are 53 by 50. Now here what do you observe? The first point is greater than the second point. That means the foreign currency goes at discount. Here first point was lower, so it goes at premium. Here first point is greater, so it is going at discount. That means we have to subtract the points. We have to subtract the points. 53 we have to subtract from 1.6284. How? I will show it here. 1.6284 minus 0.00. How much is the point here? 53. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. This is 62. So 1.6231. You can see here 1.6231. We have subtracted the points. Similarly for ask point 1.6291 minus 50. 0.0051. So 9 minus 5, 4. 62. 1.6240. You can see 1.991 and here 5 zeros over here. it is 0.50. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 0, 6. 1.6241. So we have converted the forward points into forward outright rates. Now we have 3-month forward outright rate for dollar, for DM per dollar and for dollar per pound. So here bid rate, ask rate. DM per dollar here. This is DM per dollar, right? So 1.8288 bid rate, 1.8301 ask rate. Similarly, here it is given dollar per pound. So dollar per pound is 1.6231, 1.6241. So first we have made the calculations. Now we got bid rate and ask rate. As the British company is purchasing, so we take ask rate. The British company is purchasing the pound. So we need the ask rate because the dealer is the seller. All these rates are given by the dealer, banker. So banker has given these rates. Now British company is the buyer. So when British company is the buyer, the banker is the seller. So we take the ask rate. The British company wants to buy pound against DM. So we need to calculate DM per pound. Here it is DM per dollar and dollar per pound. But we need DM per pound. We need DM per pound. So what we'll do, we'll multiply DM by dollar. What is the ask rate? 1.8301 into dollar by pound. So what will happen? Dollar will get cancelled. So DM by pound. So DM per pound will be 1.8301, this one, into 1.6241. If you multiply these two, 2.9723. That means the British company will buy the pound at this rate. For 2.9723 DM is equal to 1 pound. That's it. So this is the end of here. Therefore, British company can buy pound against DM at the rate of 1 pound is equal to DM 2.9723 in 3-month forward market. That's it. So this is the end of 7th problem. So totally 7 problems I have completed. 3 problems in this video and 4 problems I have completed in the last video. One more problem is there that I'll continue in the next video. So if you are satisfied, give a like to the video, share my channel, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and give the comments because so many viewers are there throughout the world. My channel is being viewed throughout the world. So I want to know from which country you are watching and which university you belong and how do you rate this channel. Give the comment so that I can be able to know. I can be able to make more and more better videos for your benefit. So inshallah we'll continue one more problem in the next video.